This is my first ever typewriter. It's a Smith Corona Electra XT. It comes with this case. So I got this off someone from Facebook Marketplace. Got it for $30 and it's just like a steal. So it works perfectly. It's electric, so you do have to plug it in. And then that starts the machine. If you inspect it, see there's no number 1. Apparently you can just use L for that. And since this is the electric type, it has like a lot of stuff similar to the keyboard. And yeah, you can even do a backspace and a tab. And then here's stuff where like you can align your paper and whatever, and move this and that. Okay. And then there's that bell too.